Hey, thanks for joining the session on the third pillar of my guiding principle regarding process mining data schemas. If you didn't get triggered yet by last session, hold your horses. The third pillar is a tough one where I agree that there are situations that this might become really challenging. It is about the definition of the process activities which must always remain focused on the context, not content. Let's say we have an activity called change price of sales order items. You might be lured to break down the activities into two separate activities like increase price and decrease price. After all, a price change can only go two directions. Then you notice later you actually have only a price change due to revaluation of currencies, so you call the original change price now change price due to currency. Maybe you might agree with me that just leaving a change price might be a better idea and look at the values as an attribute instead of including it into the definition of the activity. But what about change status relating to the issue to resolution use case? Then you would have only change status followed by change status followed by change status in a loop. Wouldn't it make more sense to say change status into in progress and then change status into customer action and then change status into solution provided and so on? Well, yes and no. If a technical key value, for example status A, B or C, is congruent with the same meaning in progress, customer action and solution provided on a global level, then yes. But if there are possibilities that A means B because B means something like B2 and B3 and there is no A since it is anyway skipped for some organization, then we might have a problem. Or in other words, if your VBAK, VBTYP, the SD document category is B for quotation and it also always refers to a real quotation, then go for the mapping. But if B for quotation should be a C for order and sometimes it is vice versa, it might be better to stick to the generic activity SD document rather than the specific one. Of course, ultimately the utility of a schema will decide because users often do not want to deal with super loops or spaghetti diagrams on the most common path level due to the diversity of activities. But then again, if it would be easy, everyone could do it. Tomorrow, the most esoteric pillar, self-defined activities. Hope to see you around.